Today I bought this K8 microphone, faulty and new. Inside the box there is a Type-C receiver, a microphone, and here is the Type-C charging cable, and also here is a manual too, Chinese and English. We don't need it. I bought it for $2 and they told me that device is okay, take charge it and use it. But I came home and tried to connect it with my phone. I insert this to my phone and look like working, like the green LED blinking that it is working and ready to pair. But when I press this button, nothing happened. Microphone is completely dead. There is no LED, nothing else. So I connect it to the charger. It shows red LED, that means charging started. I keep it more than 1 hour. Disconnect the charger, try to turn this on. Still there is no sign of life. So we have to open this thing and try to understand what's the problem. Is it fixable or not? So it is opening. Here it is open now. We can open it very easily. Here is the circuit with the power button, charging port, microphone, and the battery. But looks like battery is bad. This battery is not okay. So I will replace this battery. This battery is round type, but I don't have exactly this type of battery, but I have one of this from my last project. I was work with a TWS and that TWS was dead. I repurposed it and there was one battery from a earpiece was good and I keep it for future. So today is the future and I need it today. I think I can replace this instead of this round shape battery. Okay, now it's soldering time. And we will see what can you do. Is the battery is only problem or something else? After replacing the battery, we will understand. So now I will use my soldering pen. I think this is enough for our project. This pen has a limitation. I cannot run this pen more than 10 seconds at a time. So 10 seconds per click. Remove. Now it's time to install our battery. Positive connection, negative connection. I think it's connected. Clean this board. Okay, now I will press the power button and see is it working or not. Yes, it's power on and see is it paired or not. Yes, stable green LED, stable green LED. That means this is paired each other. Okay, now time to assemble it again. Our body like this. Hey, don't jump. Yes, fantastic. Everything is connected. Now we will see its sound quality. Now I will connect it with my phone and see what is its sound quality. Looks like it's connected. Okay, hello, check. Hello, check. Hello. So now we are back to our USB condenser microphone and the sound quality of this microphone is okay. It is workable, but it is not that much okay, but it is workable. And as a $2 microphone, it was a good deal, I say. Of course, this is not a $2 microphone. I bought it $2. So from that point, it was a good deal. Thank you for your time.